नहीं रहे उड़िया म्यूजिक कंपोजर अभिजीत मजूमदार। उड़िया म्यूजिक कंपोजर अभिजीत मजूमदार passes away at the age of 54. आपको बता दें, फेमस उड़िया म्यूजिक कंपोजर अभिजीत मजूमदार passed away at the mere age of 54 और एम्स भुवनेश्वर में उन्होंने आखिरी बार सांस ली। तो आखिर क्या था उनके सडन डिमाइस का रीजन? आपको बता दें, उड़िया म्यूजिक इंडस्ट्री के वन ऑफ द मोस्ट पॉपुलर म्यूजिक कंपोजर हैं अभिजीत मजूमदार, who has his credits in over 700 songs and he passed away on January 25, 2026. The composer began his journey in the Sambalpuri music industry and Abhijit's skills instantly grabbed the attention and he transitioned into Bollywood. Over the years, Abhijit had made a name for himself in the Sambalpuri music industry and he had composed several songs across Odia films, albums and some of his well-known songs are Love Story, Sister Sridevi, Golmaal Love, Mr. Majnu and more. आपको बता दें, अभिजीत मजूमदार पिछले कुछ समय से कई सारे हेल्थ इश्यूज बैटल कर रहे थे। He passed away on January 2025 while being in AIIMS भुवनेश्वर और रिपोर्ट्स की माने तो अभिजीत was first admitted to a private hospital in Cuttack after several health conditions such as low sodium levels and other health complications. इसके बाद अभिजीत को शिफ्ट कराया गया एम्स में इन भुवनेश्वर इन सितंबर 2025 और फिर डॉक्टर्स ने उन्हें आईसीयू में शिफ्ट कर दिया। ऐसी भी रिपोर्ट्स आई कि अभिजीत had slipped into coma. Abhijit Majumdar's health condition worsened in recent times and it was on January 24, 2026 when he was taken off the ventilator and then to the ICU. कुछ मीडिया रिपोर्ट्स की माने तो अभिजीत suffered from several health conditions such as osmotic demyelination syndrome, both pontine and extrapontine, bilateral pneumonia, bloodstream infection which was caused by multi-drug resistant Echinobacter chronic liver disease, electrolyte imbalances and nutritional deficiencies. 23 जनवरी को अभिजीत suffered a fever which further turned into refractory septic shock as well. तो वहीं पर आज यानी कि 25 जनवरी को द म्यूजिक कंपोजर suffered a cardiac arrest which claimed his life at the age of 54. Abhijit Majumdar began his journey in 1991 and soon became a very well-known face. He was born in Cuttack and had contributed to more than 700 songs which had led him to be one of the most influential figures in the Sambalpuri music industry. आज अभिजीत मजूमदार के जाने से उनके फैंस सदमे में हैं।